This is a brand new 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. It features a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, heated seats, a Bose stereo system, satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, cruise control, dual airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, air conditioning, a folding rear seat, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, and an auxiliary power outlet. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
James Wood Auto Park is located at 3906 Interstate 35E South in Denton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.